Good morning, guys. I'm starting off Monday right by taking a shower. The weekend was so much fun. I'm a little exhausted from traveling. We went to Ken's parents for Thanksgiving and spent Friday with them. Then we drove to my cousin's house and spent Thanksgiving with my grandma and all my cousins and all the kids. And then we came home. Sunday was just a relaxing day. I wasn't doing anything. But this morning I want to kind of relax this morning, but also get myself moving. I want to get my bag all put away this morning. I need to upload the video for tomorrow, and then I need to go through, I don't need to, but I want to go through all of the Christmas decorations. And then while I'm down there, I'm going to start putting some of the bins that are down there back into the closet because they don't all need to be out. The only bin that I'll keep out is the stuff for all the fall decorations we have out that need to be put away. That will be put away at the end of the week. And then December is Friday. Like, we're already close to December. When the sun comes up, I'll actually show you guys outside because we got snow. Yes, we did. We have snow. But I can't believe December's almost here, and that means Vlogmas is almost here. So am I ready for it? I think so. We'll see how well I do. I'm going to try to do my best, but we'll see. So that's what I said. To start off Vlogmas, at the end of the week, I'll be taking down the fall decorations and putting up all the Christmas decorations. The tree's going to go up. The only decision we have to make for the tree is we used to put it right here, but obviously the pinball machine's here. And then we put it here last year, so then Betty will have to move. So I'll have to figure out a place to put her so she's plugged up, and then her her home station is somewhere. So we have to figure that all out. But I am going to go get dressed. I'm going to put my luggage away, get it all figured out. I'm going to do my morning routine, so I will probably sit down, work on the video, and then I will eat breakfast, probably go work out, and do all of that stuff. And then later on, probably around, let's say 11:30, noonish, I'm going to start going through everything in the basement and organizing. So I probably won't talk to you guys until later on because you guys know my morning routine. It's nothing new. So I will talk to you guys later on when we start going through all the Christmas decorations. So just wanted to show you guys. It is snow time. At least it didn't snow during Thanksgiving at all. I literally waited until after the weekend to snow. This was like Sunday snow. Also, as you can tell, our setup is still out there. So I told Ken today that we would go uncover all the pumpkins and throw everything away, take down the screen because, you know, that season is over and the outdoor theater will be back next year. But we need to clean it up, and he wanted me to clean it up by myself, and I'm like, no, because I can't carry all that stuff out to the garbage. So once he gets home today, I'm going to have him back his truck up over here, and then we're just going to have him help me load everything so we can get rid of it. spent the last 20 minutes getting tomorrow's vlog done. It is now all put together and up on YouTube. I was so mad because I went to upload it, and then right when I went to go upload it, it said my laptop was dying. So I came over to where my cord is and I plugged it in, and then I was sitting on the couch playing some of my game, and I came back over to see where it was, and my laptop wouldn't turn on. So I'm like, why is this not on? I realized that I didn't plug the charger into the wall, because when we left for the weekend to go celebrate Thanksgiving, Ken unplugs things that don't necessarily need to be pulling power in, and he unplugged it, and I totally forgot this morning, so I had to replug it in and re-upload the video, and now it is ready to go. But while that was uploading, I finished kind of playing my game, and then I went downstairs, did my workout routine, and then now that it was ready, I obviously took some time to put the rest of it together, like making the thumbnail, the title, and all that. So now that is up, and it is 11:03, so I think I'm going to go downstairs and start going through everything. Around noon, I will eat lunch, and then we'll see where we're at downstairs. So let's go head downstairs and figure out what needs to still come out of the closet and what needs to be put away. First, I want to say that we definitely need to clean this basement. It was a lot cleaner than it is right now. Obviously, with all the stuff coming out of the closet, it got, you know, cluttered, and then the chairs from upstairs, and then boxes from stuff we got from the wedding. So also it should be a lot lighter over here, but I turn these two lights over here off just because I was watching YouTube on this wall with our little projector, so I needed to be able to see it. But our tree has fallen out of the box. I'm pretty sure the blue box right there is all the Christmas stuff, and then like this stuff, and I think the stuff over there is all fall. That's Halloween. I think Christmas is in the front box too, so this area besides that box on top is Christmas. So it's having a hard time focusing here. Of course, the moment I stop recording, it focuses. But I'm just going to open the closet, see if there's any Christmas stuff in there, and then we're going to start trying to put stuff in the closet, and I'm at least gonna somewhat organize the Christmas bins. So what I'm trying to figure out first is if that red bin back there is Christmas stuff too. I'm not even sure what's in the boxes that are over here, but this is our little crawl space underneath the styles where all of our bins go. And we also have a little area like back there that we've never used, but now I'm not sure what is in that bin. I guess I gotta pull it out, right? So now this area, oh yeah, Uncle Sam there needs to go back in. So this is kind of what it looks like right now. Obviously, I think I would take stuff out to put that in. I could put that box probably on top of those because that's from the wedding. But I think these two boxes sitting right here are all Christmas. So I'm going to slide this one over here, put that white box away, and then I'm going to open the two that are there and just kind of look through them. So I kind of put the tree back in the box. This is all the Christmas stuff. I think we'll put most of all of it out. There are a few things that I have to ask Ken if we're actually going to put it out this year. But I thought we had more than this and we don't. So I'm not going to go through much of it because what I did go through, I know exactly where it is. And like I said, everything's pretty much going to be put out, so that's, I thought it was going to take way longer than that, but it didn't, so I guess that's that. So, was getting ready to do some lunch, and I am uploading the video, all the videos from today, up to the computer, and I was thinking to myself, I'm like, I know that we had more Christmas stuff than the stuff that's downstairs, and I have an idea, kind of what I want my opening to Vlogmas to be, and I was thinking of certain things I had in my mind, and I'm like thinking, where are those also? And Bubba, Mommy, need you to not go in. Okay, don't listen to me. And then I realized that I have more Christmas stuff in this bedroom, so ignore all this stuff was in the closet, but that big bin right there has all my Christmas ornaments and stuff like that. And then I found some of these stuff that I might want to use for my Vlogmas opening, but I was like thinking to myself, I know I had more stuff, and it's because it's all up here. That's why I dug all this stuff out, because I had to get in there for that. So I also don't know if I'll be putting ornaments on the tree. When we got this one right here, we didn't put ornaments on the tree because we weren't sure how he was going to react to them. Bo was pretty good with the stuff on the tree. He just liked laying underneath it, and so did Ben. So I think I'm going to attempt to put some up this year, but we will see how these two do. But that's where all our ornaments and some stuff is in there, and then the costumes I were kind of looking for the cats. So I was thinking about going through all the wedding decorations, but I decided that most of the stuff that's in there is going to come out anyways. So I think I'm just going to show you guys the decorations once I actually decorate our place, which will be a video during Vlogmas, of course. Like I said, I'm not sure if the ornaments and stuff will go up or not. I have to discuss another thing with Ken that like we used to put out on our TV set that we might not put out either. I don't think we did it last year because of this one right here. He just gets into stuff, knocks stuff down, and we can't have things in certain areas because he jumps all over the place. So I think what I'm going to do is it's like 11:40 now. I'm going to eat some leftover Thanksgiving food, edit a little bit, and then I will talk to you guys when Ken comes home so we can get rid of all of the pumpkins and stuff. So I will show you guys just our little process of cleaning that area up and tossing them. So I'm going to eat some lunch and I will talk to you guys in a little bit. So apparently when Ken came home, it was like 20 degrees outside, so we are not doing the outside stuff today. So I'm going to start making dinner. I want to try to make potato chip potatoes with using actual potatoes. I've never done it before, so who knows how it'll turn out. And then we're doing chicken sandwiches. So I'm going to make dinner, and I will just say goodbye to you guys. And believe it or not, the next time you see me will be for Vlogmas. So crazy to think about. I had to think about how I want to do my videos. I actually have this advent calendar that is daily, and I'm trying to figure out how to do that, since obviously you're recording the day before, so you know there wouldn't be on the right days, but I'll figure it out, and I'm excited for it. So I will talk to you guys again probably at the end of the week, which will be the start of Vlogmas. So talk to you guys during Vlogmas.